In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check in on the American Airlines app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is first, make sure you have the latest version available of the American Airlines app installed on your phone. So open up either the Play Store or the App Store and look for the American Airlines app. Make sure it's up to date and running the latest version available to ensure that you have access to all the features. Once you go ahead and update the American Airlines app, when you open it up, you will be able to access the sliding menu at the bottom of the screen. In there, you will see two options I've highlighted for you: Flight Status and Find Trip. Choose whichever one you prefer if you need help finding a specific trip or if you are already logged in using your credentials. When you click the Flight Status option, you will be able to see the flight that is attributed to your name and account. So after you select that option, simply look at the details of your flight and you will have the option at the top to check in. You can use the QR code presented or explore any of the other options inside of the app. After you do, make sure to board and arrive at the correct time that's specified on the status of your boarding pass. I hope I was able to help you on how to check in on the American Airlines app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.